Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Midnight Lab. Today, we're going to break some rules. We're going to challenge one of the biggest, most time-consuming truths in AI character creation. For years, if you wanted to create a consistent character in multiple scenes and poses, you had one option: train a LoRA. It was a long, tedious process that acted as a huge barrier for a lot of creators. Well, today, we're going to build a complete 10-shot professional photo shoot from a single image with zero LoRA training. Stick around, this is a big one. So, how is this even possible? It's all thanks to a completely different type of AI model. Most of the models we're used to, like stable diffusion, are just that, diffusion models. They are fantastic at creating images from scratch. But this workflow is built around something new: Qwen Image Edit. Qwen is what's known as a large vision language model, or an LVLM. It's not just a painter, it's a thinker. It's been specifically trained not just to generate, but to understand and edit images with an incredible level of contextual awareness. It's designed to look at an image, understand the person and objects within it, and then make intelligent, targeted changes based on a prompt. By itself, it's a powerful photo editor. But when we combine it with a few other key technologies, we can unlock its hidden potential to do something far more revolutionary. And that's exactly what my new workflow is designed to do. So, how do we take this powerful Qwen model and turn it into a fully automated art director? That's where my new workflow comes in. This is the Genesis engine. I've engineered this system to be a complete, one-shot photoshoot studio in a single ComfyUI workflow. The goal is to completely automate the most tedious parts of character creation. Instead of you manually writing a dozen different prompts and hoping for the best, the Genesis engine uses the powerful Gemini 2.5 Pro AI to act as your personal art director. You give it one high-level creative brief, and it intelligently writes a complete 10-shot storyboard for you with unique poses and camera angles in every prompt. It is a true fire-and-forget system designed to give you maximum creativity with minimum effort. Let me show you how it works. All right, here it is, the Genesis engine. Let me give you the quick and dirty guide. It all happens right here in the top left. First, you upload your Genesis image. This is your character's face. Done. Next, the director's brief. This is where you tell the AI the vibe of the photo shoot. I'm asking for 10 shots in an outdoor cafe. Simple. You can ask for 5, 10, whatever you want. Now, the magic. When you hit Q, the Gemini AI instantly acts as your art director and writes a full 10-prompt storyboard for you. You don't have to write a single creative prompt. It's all automated. That shot list is then fed into the core engine, which is powered by the Qwen Image Edit model. But I've supercharged it with two crucial LoRAs. The first is a lightning LoRA for incredible speed, and the second is the secret sauce, an angle-changing LoRA that lets the AI create brand new poses and perspectives. Huge credit here also goes to Lovis93 for their amazing next scene LoRA concept that helps power the transitions. There's a link to their work in the description. So you upload your face, you write one sentence, and you hit Q prompt. That's it. The engine now takes over, cycling through all 10 AI-generated prompts and creating a full, varied, and perfectly consistent photo shoot completely on its own. Now, let's see the final results. And here are the results. A complete 10-shot professional photo shoot. Different angles, different poses, dynamic compositions, and perfect facial consistency across every single image. All of this, generated from just one source image with one creative brief in one click. No LoRA training, no manual prompting, no hours of tedious work. This is the power of the Genesis engine. The Genesis engine is available right now on my Gumroad page in different versions to fit your needs. The era of spending hours training a LoRA for a single character shoot is over. It's time to stop training and start directing. Now I'm heading back to the lab to work on the next breakthrough. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.